How to sign in into the Rev360 portal. In this video on CAC business name registration Sholadrem 247, I will be taking us through how we can successfully sign in on the portal. So let's go right into it. All you need to do is to stay tuned to the end of this video and learn how to do this gradually without having to try all over again, because I already have many questions in my DM that I'm unable to log in. It's not going, it's showing invalid, this and that. So in this video I will be taking us through how we can get that sorted out. Let's go right to our Chrome browser and input taxpayer self-service portal. It will load up for you. You click on the first link that pops up here. It will pop up this interface for you. So once you get to this interface, which is where most of us are finding it difficult to log in with, on this interface you can see it says you can log in with TaxProMax credentials, you can use forget password, and you can log in direct with your login details. That is for new companies that just registered on the Rev360. So if you want to use this first box that pops up for you, it will not go. I hope you are getting me. So let's try it and see what I'm saying. Now let me show you how you are trying to log in and it's not giving you the expected results, and how you are expected to log in for you to get your expected result of logging in successfully. At the end of the video, you'll be able to log in with your TaxProMax details easily without any stress. Just make sure you like this video, make sure you drop your comments if you have any other question, and feel free to subscribe. Subscription is free. Thank you. Let's proceed. If you click on this spot where you have log in with TaxProMax credentials and input your TaxProMax details, remember that is what we want to use. So input your TaxProMax details, your email and your password here. Then you click on verify and connect. You will see what it will be writing. You can see invalid email address. Can you see what is writing at the top? Invalid email address. Whereas this is the same email and password that this particular business is making use of on TaxProMax. I hope you can now see that there is issue there. So when I said you can't log in as a first timer with this first box, I know what I was saying. So we pray they see this and help us to rectify it. But before then, you can still log in. Let's go to the right way on how you can log in from this place. Once you get this interface, all you need to do for you to be able to use your login details that you have been using previously on TaxProMax, just cancel this. Click on this place and cancel it. Click on this cancel button if you want to log in with your TaxProMax credentials. Just click on this cancel, so you won't be using this place. You just need to cancel this, then it will take you to this main portal where you need to log in. So all you need to do is to continue with NRSSSO. Click on that, then it will open up the login portal for you, where you need to input login details of this account on TaxProMax. Here you will be inputting the email you always use to log into TaxProMax and the password that you always use on TaxProMax. input your email and password, then you click on sign in. It will load up for you, processing authentication. You can see, and voila, you are successfully use your TaxProMax credentials to log in into your Rev360 portal. You have successfully logged in into your portal as it is now. Then you can start making use of your account on the new portal. If you are yet to learn about how to register a company, business, or an NGO on the new tax portal, click on the video you are seeing right on your screen and get to learn how to do that. In our next video, I will be taking us through how to know all of the taxes that we need to file on Rev360. If this video has been helpful, if you learned something from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share to family and friends or your clients who already have TaxProMax account and are yet to gain access to their portal on Rev360, for them also to be able to log in into their Rev360 account successfully. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.